It's just very challenging to have your power knocked off and then you lose all your food and you still have to go to work.
Thousands of SoCal Edison customers in LA and Ventura counties are without power. And SoCal Edison tells us about 250,000 are under consideration for public safety power shutoffs because of the danger of this upcoming wind event.
The last couple times it's happened, I've had half my class there because they don't have power.
Sharon Baker is a teacher. She says she's lost power 5 times recently.
It's very hard to teach when you know the power's going to go out or the kids have missed something, so you can't do anything new with the kids because which kids are you going to have?
SoCal Edison says it realizes the shutoffs are particularly inconvenient in a pandemic.
We realize that this is very difficult for our customers. Many of them are now working at home, they're studying at home. Being without power is a tremendous burden, so we don't do this lightly.
The company has set up resource centers in the most impacted areas where people can pick up resiliency bags with PPE, solar-powered phone chargers, and backup light sources.
We haven't really seen this much wind in Simi in a lot of years, and I don't know what's really attributing to it, but it's a little frightening. It really is.
LA County Fire tells us the high winds, along with hot temperatures and low humidity, create significant wildfire danger in the county. They say they have additional resources deployed at strategic points. This resource center is open until 10 p.m. tonight and again tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. In Simi Valley, Hermela Aregawi, KCAL 9 News.